Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us. Well, we've got a more humid forecast coming up for you, and that means drizzle patches and showers are going to appear across our very dry eastern coastline. Here's the current satellite map. You can see a bit of cloud around the South Island and mostly sunny around the North Island, but it's this feature over here that we're actually watching. It's going to drag in cloud and humidity across the eastern side of both islands. It may not be enough to really reverse any of the big dries, but it will certainly be welcome for anyone who needs rain. And the other feature is sitting out here in the Tasman. This is also building, and this has got our weekend written all over it. So here's how it looks as we move on through. Here's the rain maps, and you can see for Thursday the drizzly showers coming down the eastern side here. So we've got a big high just out to the east of the Chatham Islands. The wind flow northeast across the country here. So we're going to see the temperatures, especially at night time, going up. Be harder to sleep with the higher humidity and higher temperatures. So warm nights on the way for eastern areas of both islands, late sort of double digits, late teens for those areas. And then out here is the next feature. So little showers come down on Thursday. On Friday they continue for some areas, one or two in the north, one or two in the south. It's not major. Most eastern areas are still dry though on Friday. But this low in the Tasman is starting to build. And the next high, well look, it's way down here, south of us. So what does that mean? It means the easterlies that run, because they're anticyclonic of course, easterlies are running along the top edge of that high. So that means, generally speaking, most of New Zealand's under a northeast flow of air which is coming out of the subtropics. So that's why it's going to get cloudier and the humidity is going to go up, and we're going to get morning and evening drizzle patches around the country. Then the rain clouds start to build. So the weekend looks like this. Now, for those of you who need rain, don't get too excited by this, but there is some promising signs in here. So this is not widespread rain right across the country. It may look like that, but a lot of it will just be drizzly, showery, patchy sort of stuff with big dry spells in between. And that's because of the ranges in here. The Southern Alps are going to really block most of that rain. It's falling out at sea and around the west coast, but we do still have this humid nor'easter, so drizzly showers possible right up towards the North Island's east coast. On Sunday, similar story, although the North Island now gets more involved. So showers, drizzly patches of rain coming in for you. Good news, everybody needs this. It's a good forecast for most places. And then we still see more showers around the South Island's dry spots as well. And by Monday, still more of those showers coming through. The Southern Alps doing a good job, or a bad job, depending on how you look at it, at blocking some of that rain. But we will still see showers coming up as the southerly change comes in. This is a southwest change here, so it gets a little bit cooler on Monday, and the humidity will ease by Tuesday across most places as this moves in, and here comes the next high. So that's the forecast for the next few days. We'll update you again on Friday. Certainly this low for the weekend, everybody wants to know what's going to happen. Like I say, don't get too excited if you do need rain, but there is a chance that we will get some out of that low as it crosses over. So we'll certainly give you more details as we get closer towards the weekend.